Hi guys, I'm Deepthi. Today I'll be telling you all about the Usha Mist Air Icy Pedestal fan. So let's get started. I got this Usha Pedestal fan in the cerulean blue shade. This fan comes with an instruction manual for easy assembly and usage. It delivers 67 cubic meters of air per minute at 230 volts and 1180 rpm. With special aerodynamically designed blades for high air delivery with low noise, this fan is simply awesome. It has a powerful copper motor designed exclusively for Indian weather conditions, so it works in humid and dry summers as well. This fan also has an overheat protection fuse to protect during thermal overload. With an assured uniform and jerk-free oscillation, it works effortlessly. So no matter what part of the house I'm in, I can work in peace, all thanks to this pedestal fan.